Hi, in front of me is OnePlus 9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll down, choose Security and Lock Screen, click on Lock Screen Passcode and select one of the locking methods by clicking at the chosen one. Swipe pattern, pin or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to click on it, draw my pattern, tap on Next, then draw it again and click Confirm. How do you want the lock screen to display? Select one of the options. I will go with Don't Show Notifications at all, so I have to click on it and tap Done. So now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!